That was unexpected. Well, we can see straight away the wheelie bar is needed. Alrighty, here we go. J-Star in the house, having a crack at the BMX track on 4S. Oof, that body wobbling around all over the place. Good speed on 4S, not too bad at all. Wow, very smooth around the jumps here. Come on. Has a little bit of trouble turning. But very stable, very good. Very nice. You got it. Whoa! Oh dear. Oh no. Now I've lost it. Oh no. Oh, here, come on. Turn. Wow. First tumble right there. I was trying to save it from doing an endo. And ended up flipping it. You gotta go pretty easy on the brakes. Oh, come on. Turn. I wonder if I've got my dual rates turned down. Just hold on one sec, I'll adjust that. Alright, yeah, I did have my dual rates turned down because the first time I actually drove this was trying to do a speed test, and there we go, it turns a lot better now. And it seems to be a common mistake that I make, is I'll go and do a speed test with these cars when they're brand spanking new, and then I'll bring them out here and I forget to turn my dual rates back up, and you can see it's turning so well now. Turning very nicely. So it was just that I had limited my steering for the top speed run with this guy. But man, it actually jumps really well. It's doing extremely well. Oh, it's done it again. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear, dearie me. Okay. So I really need to be a bit careful on the brakes coming down the straight here. So full speed and then anchor slowly. Might even pay to maybe turn the brakes down a tad on the ESC. I wonder if I could do that. Alright, but that's not bad. I think we get the idea. It has a lot of sway to it, so even when you're trying to turn and everything, the tyres are so soft that it does sway a little bit. But anyway, let's go bigger, see how high we can jump it. Alright. Nice. On the plus side, the body is holding up well. Beautiful jump there, absorbed that landing so well. That's one thing I've always liked about these trucks, is their ability to absorb a jump is quite extraordinary. Oh, on two wheels there. Tell you what, these tyres aren't terrible. I think it's going to be a lot of fun on 6S. Whee! Oh, wow. That was disappointing. Nice. This would be an interesting truck to put up against the BES. Oh, that landed kind of really bad on the bumper. I was trying to bring the nose up and I think I left a divot on the ground, on the grass there, but truck survived. It's all good. Oh, couldn't recover that one. Well, on the plus side, that body is holding up well, as are the body posts, as is the roll cage. Oh, two wheels again. Alright, last jump and we'll go around the bend. No! Oh dear. Alright, let's go around the bend. But not bad speed on 4S. It actually does pretty well. Certainly a lot faster than the HX was on 4S. That I know for sure. Because there's no way that the HX was this quick around here. Oof. Can't ease off the throttle too much, otherwise front end goes down a bit. And you can see that it sways a little bit, so it's not a precise driving machine like you'd expect from a truggy style RC. So this is definitely monster truck. Good high ground clearance, soft rubber to absorb all the nasty little uneven terrain that you drive on. Oh dear, that was entirely my fault. I'm so sorry. Oh, I gotta go check, see if it's alright. No, it's fine. Body's taken a pounding and it's surviving. That roll cage is holding on. The LEDs are all still on, which is nice. This is a fun car. I mean, it's certainly not a driver's RC. I mean, if you like good handling and precise driving and all that sort of thing, this isn't going to be the one for you. But if you want a cool looking monster truck with a semi looking kind of Jeep body on it, it's got LEDs, you want to do some driving at night, and you want it to be able to take some good jumps, hey, you know what? This might just do the trick. Look at that, it just soaks up those landings so well. Alright, let's go on the big one. Let's see how we go there. Gotta go easy on the brakes, otherwise it'll do an endo on us. Just absorbs those landings like it's nothing. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh jeez. Alright, let's not try and clear this jump because it doesn't have the speed to clear it. At least not on 4S. Oi! And we can see that there's a wheelie bar that's absent, and we desperately need it. I can see a dent on that body from that awful flip that it did before. But man, this thing absorbs landings so nice. Oh, come on. So good. These trucks are so good for jumping. Look at that. It's, oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. For jumping, these Team Magic monster trucks do it so well. So, I guess you can say that, you know, this is no HX, this is no BES. It's certainly not a HX, it's definitely better than that. But, you know, it doesn't have the steering capabilities of my BES. But then again, that could also be contributed to the servo. You know, I've got a fairly expensive servo in my BES, so that's one thing we could sort of go, okay, well, that's unfair to compare it. But as far as jumping, I mean, it's, oh boy, could not recover from that. Could not recover from that. Is it okay? Is it okay? It's fine, ladies and gentlemen, it's fine. We're good, we're good, we're good. It was nose darting and there was nothing I could do. Just stay on the throttle until about mid jump, and then you can ease off, and the truck very slowly, very gently levels out and lands beautifully on all fours. So if I hold it here, I'm holding, let go, and there we go. So it lands really nice. If you let go a bit too early, the nose dips, and because you're on 4S, you don't have the power and the wheel speed to bring that nose back up, but you will have the braking power to bring the nose back down. So hold, throttle, hold, and then let go. So you let go mid-jump, and the truck levels out beautifully. But man, does this thing jump good. Little wheelie, very nice. I think that's all we need to see for a 4S run. I think you get the general idea of what this guy is like. Yes! Very, very good. All right, let's assess some damage here. Let's just see what what the body's looking like these days after those awful landings. Well, the nose landing kind of gave it a little bit of a cut and polish on the grill there. You can see that it's a little bit scratched up. The little tray on top, that's obviously got a bit of scuffing along here, but given that it's metal, this is not going to break off. The rear of the body, however, definitely copped a beating here, and all of this is scratched up now. Oh, I've got a broken piece right here on the corner. That's a little disappointing. That obviously must have buckled and landed awkwardly somehow, and it cut the body there. So I guess one thing is for sure, we definitely need a wheelie bar on these things, because without a wheelie bar, this is yeah, this is a little bit disastrous, especially for somebody that doesn't have good experience on the throttle. This is definitely going to be on its roof a lot of the times, and you're going to wreck the body a little bit early. All right, but I'm going to leave it here, guys. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as always, check out the video description for more information on the truck, as well as links to my social media pages. I thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.